Just 10 kilometres from Melbourne at Essendon Airport lies the home of a very special aircraft. Built in 1945, this Douglas DC-3, affectionately known as Melbourne's Gooney Bird, is the pride and joy of its pilot owner, Mike Falls. It would be fair to say that Mike loves this old girl as much as any human being could possibly love a machine. But that's how flying gets to you, once it's in your blood. This is their story.
Gooney Birds and Flying Nerds.
I think the DC-3 is the classic Art Deco shape. It fits the philosophical, to me, it fits the philosophical description of beauty in that if we took anything from it or added anything to it, it would be less beautiful. It's about right. Its shape is lovely. It sort of flies like that a bit too. It's an old thing that if an aeroplane looks good, it usually flies good. I bought the Gooney Bird from a bloke who'd got it from the Air Force. It had served the RAF from 1945 to 1979. It ended up as an instructional airframe at Wagga. It had been an Air Commodore's personal aeroplane, had flown only 11,000 hours, but it was a standard military C-47. We didn't pay much for it, but it took us about a year and all our money to turn it into a civilian aeroplane with modern seats, and we got some seats out of an Airbus and we put soundproofing in it. We took all the military stuff out, put simple civilian avionics in it, and it's been a great aeroplane.